For Women's History Month, Cool 97 FM celebrates a trailblazer in Jamaica's military leadership, whose courage and determination have helped chart a new course for women in uniform. Vice Admiral Antoinette Weems Gorman.
Cause I am a superwoman. Yes, I am. Yes, she is.
I, Antoinette Sandra Lee Weems Gorman, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, and that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and the laws of Jamaica, and that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibilities to the people of Jamaica. So help me God.
History was made in 2022 when then Rear Admiral Antoinette Weems Gorman was installed as the Jamaica Defense Force's first female Chief of Defense Staff. At the time, she was the only female head of an armed force globally. But her groundbreaking journey began decades earlier. At just 19 years old, Weems Gorman joined the Jamaica Defense Force, one of only 2 candidates selected from a pool of 34 applicants.
I was a 19-year-old young girl that happened upon the JDF as an employment opportunity. Having gotten the opportunity to serve in the JDF, I was interested in the JDF Coast Guard, and I've served in several areas of the force since then, quite rewarding.
During her basic training, there was no other female seafarer in the Coast Guard. Inspired by the strength of the women in her life, including her mother and grandmother, she became determined not only to succeed, but to change the face of the force for other women. In 1994, she was commissioned as the Jamaica Defense Force's first seagoing female officer. Her steady rise through the ranks continued, and in 2002, she became commanding officer of Cutter Belmont Point.
My first command was an 82-foot point class, Belmont Point, and then I commanded HMGS Surrey.
Weems Gorman has also helped shape the region's maritime future.
Yes, I was invited to participate in the setting up of the Women in Maritime Association of the Caribbean. Women in the maritime field, even in commercial shipping, is a rarity, and so the International Maritime Organization has seen it fit to foster those associations across the world. And when they set it up in the Caribbean, I was a founding member.
She holds a master's degree in National Security and Strategic Studies from the University of the West Indies, Mona. With more than 30 years of distinguished service to the JDF, she's been honored with numerous accolades, including the Order of Distinction Commander Class, the Medal of Honor for Meritorious Service, the Military Commendation Medal, and the Medal of Honor for General Service by the Government of Jamaica. A woman of many firsts, Vice Admiral Antoinette Weems Gorman is an international trailblazer in military leadership.
I was never focused on any particular job in the JDF. Except for what I was doing at the time. So I was focused on doing the job that I had to do.
She recently announced the release of her first memoir, Life, Duty and Command, reflecting on her journey, leadership lessons, and decades of service.
That was First Lady, Jamaican Women Trailblazers. Keep listening to Cool 97 FM all month as we spotlight remarkable Jamaican women who were the first to pave the way.